Hi everybody, I'm Chef Kevin from CVTC's Culinary Management program. And today I've got a great warm cocktail for you, Mexican coffee. Let's make it, it's real simple. First we're gonna start out with our favorite coffee mug, and then we're gonna put about an ounce of Kahlua into the mug. So my 1 ounce pour of Kahlua. Okay. And then we're gonna take our favorite tequila and do about a half an ounce of our favorite tequila in there as well. And then you could do decaf if you want, but I like a dark roast coffee, so I have some dark roast brewed up, and I'm going to put my dark roast into my coffee mug. I like a bold coffee, but you could do decaf or a light roast, or you can even do another flavored coffee, like cinnamon coffee would be perfect in this. Then we're gonna put a little whipped cream on top. And if you don't have a fancy one like this, just your canned Ready Whip would work just fine. We're gonna put a little cream on top. That. And a little cinnamon powder dusted on top. And there you have a Mexican coffee. Perfect for a chilly day, Sunday brunch, or just something simple to wow your guests. For more information, check out cvtc.edu and for all the things we have going on here in culinary management. We appreciate your time and thank you so much for watching.